Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So I actually just come back from China. I have been back for almost a week. I still feel like not fully awake. My sleeping schedule is not normal. Snap like 4 hours at night and 4 hours in the daytime. So if I go to bed like 10 o'clock at night, and then I will get up like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I will stay up until maybe like noon, and then I will go to sleep until like 5 or 6 p.m. in the afternoon. It's just that my schedule is all messed up. So I finally get a little bit better today. So you probably know that I have been publishing a lot of videos when I filmed in China. There are a lot of more videos. So I'm just really working hard editing videos those days. It probably takes me several months to finish editing all the videos that I recorded in China. It's just so many content. And if you join my Patreon, there are a lot of more videos on the Patreon. You can get early content and extra personal content with my husband. So back to topic, I'm very excited to review those accessories. So most of those accessories are Chinese style accessories. I don't know what's wrong with these contacts. It's not very clear. When I look at myself on the camera screen, it's still blurry. I picked out those accessories from Newchic.com, and they sent me those items for free to review. So I picked out those accessories before I went to China. I wanted to wear to go with my Hanfu. So those items were arrived when I was still in China. So I didn't get a chance to carry some of those items with me because some of those items are very super useful to me. For example, those shoes. I don't know if you have seen this type of shoes before. So those shoes are embroidered cloth shoes, and those are perfect to go with Hanfu. I got 3 pair of shoes in same styles. I really needed. I wish I brought those with me to China. You probably noticed that in my videos I have been wearing the same color, same style of shoes, the purple one. So this one would go a lot of color of Hanfu. For example, like the hat I'm wearing today, it would match. The blue would match it as well as pink. So those 3 pair of shoes would work. Another good thing about those shoes is that those shoes will make your feet look small because the shoes is very narrow. It's not a fat. Do you guys remember this pair of shoes? Those shoes are very comfortable, but they make my feet look fat, like around here. And those pair of shoes are a lot narrow. The size I'm wearing 37. So 37 is the US size 6. It's pretty comfortable. Maybe it's tight at the beginning, but after you wear, it will get more comfortable. Really comfortable. Blue go with pink as well. So the embroidery part is peach blossom. Very pretty. If you like to wear Hanfu, I recommend to wear this type of shoes. And the white one goes with a lot of colors. I don't know how to describe this part. Looks very pretty. So can you tell the differences? I prefer this one than that one. My feet look smaller on the left, right? They're both comfortable to wear. I always want to wear this kind of shoes. I'm glad I have those now. Those colors will match a lot of my Hanfus. So the next one is this pair. Honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed on the fabric. I don't prefer the shining fabric. I prefer the cloth. Fabric is not shiny, and I don't really like the bottom of the shoes. I don't really like the fabric. I prefer this one. I don't really in love with this pair, but it will go with my red Hanfus. In the future, I will get the same shape of the shoes but in color red. This one is also embroidered flowers. It's got heels. This is the size 37, and honestly, it's not as comfortable as the other ones. The other one is really comfortable. This one is a little bit tight in the front. Okay, so it looks like that. It's not very comfortable to wear. It's pretty tight in the front. The next one is also a very useful item for me. I always want to get this one. I really need it. This is ta-da! fashion style. Jewelry container really matches my Chinese style hair accessories. If I do the Hanfu photo shoot, this could be a really good decoration. I already put my accessories in it. The bottom drawer and this drawer is fake because you actually need to like open this part, and here is the drawer. It is like this much space. Put some of the hairpins like right here. Yeah, this one will not work. It's not flat. I can only put flat accessories. Those flat accessories work. Those ones will work as well. I like this box a lot. And here is the hook to close it. Put it right here. I like the design of the box. Very pretty, and I can carry it with me. Really love it. So the next ones are the materials for making clothes. I did get a lot of material to making clothes, the fabric to making Hanfu, and the fabric to making Lolita dresses. But I haven't started yet. I have been very busy working on those videos. If I have time, I really want to make Hanfu and Lolita dresses. Those are the two styles I wear when I go out. I'm not really in love with the lace. It's kind of hard material lace. So I also got the black lace. I don't think this much is enough for making a dress. I'll probably use it to make the Lolita hair accessories gothic headdress. It should not be difficult. So that's my plan. And I also got this fabric. This fabric is exactly the same material like the fabric I used as background. Exactly the same material. I got this one just because for the background purposes. If I use the blue as my background, wow, it matches my outfit more than the pink one, right? Yeah, I should change it. Yeah, I love it, but I think I need to steam it. It probably take me 1 hour to just steam the fabric. It's not wide enough. It is not wide enough to use as background. I think the only thing I can use is to place an item and take picture. It's only for small items or backdrop for taking selfies. Yeah, that's my work. I also picked up some accessories for Lolita fashion. For example, the thigh highs or its knee highs. I got a bow on the side. I think it's pretty cute. Those socks works with the JK uniform. JK uniform is Japanese uniform fashion. Besides Hanfu and Lolita fashion, the JK uniform. This is also one of popular fashion style in China. A lot of people like to wear Japanese uniform because it is very cute. I have a few sets, but I don't wear this style often anymore. So right now, my style is mainly traditional Chinese dress, Hanfu, and also Lolita fashion. Those are my main styles I wear when I go out. Those socks are in good quality, very soft material. Yeah, I really love those socks. Those socks will go with a lot of fashion styles. Really love it. I'm very happy. And the last item is for little girl. Ta-da! Wow, it's super adorable. This one is not for me. It's for little girl and the size is 110. So I think this size is for the girl's height is 110 centimeter. I'm getting this just in case. I think it's a very cute, very adorable dress. This is like a princess dress. I think the quality is not bad. So the skirt part has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, the dress have 5 layers. I also included these layers. So this layer is only this much. And it's also got like a cape design. This one is made of tulle. It's very cute dress. Look. And do you like my color of lip gloss? I'm using this one. So this one is not lipstick. It's like a lip balm. You probably already seen this type of lip balm a long time ago because it's got like a 3D flowers inside the lip balm. Tinted lip balm. The color looks very natural and the scent is peach. It makes me want to eat peach. Like a juicy peach. So all the links are in the description box. I like all the items except the red cloth shoes because I could get better ones than that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. There will be a lot of videos about Chinese culture and Lolita culture and photo shoot. I haven't published the makeup transformation videos yet. I'm very looking forward to sharing those videos with you guys. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.
狮子，
狮子 means
狮子，
lion.
狮子，
狮子。
狮子，
桥
桥
means bridge. 桥 means bridge.
狮子。
Yeah, we'll probably have to edit this out because, you know.